mountains and valleys I felt in my life. You carry me.
Hey guys. Ooh, my lips ashy. Okay, now I look alive. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Grazie, and today's video is gonna be a product testing video. I've got some new makeup. I've got quite a couple of new makeup bits and I'm going to be trying them out. They're all drugstore, so this is a drugstore everyday beat slash everyday makeup tutorial, because I haven't done one of these in a while. I haven't done a first impressions in a really long time, so I thought, why don't I just come on here and show you guys. I'm going to be doing my normal routine but just with new products, so I'm super excited. I have the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I've heard so much about this. I got mine in the shade Mocha. I also have the new Revolution Infinite concealers. These are basically like the Revolution Conceal and Define, but apparently these last how many hours? 16 hours. So I'm gonna go through this whole day. Right now is 1:21. So I'm gonna try these products and see how long they last. Apparently the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation is 24-hour wear, so I'm gonna probably be wearing these for about 12 hours. I'm gonna come back and show you guys if it still looks cute. I have approximately an hour to finish my makeup, so this is gonna be quick. So yeah, we're gonna start with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. Mine is in the shade Mocha. So this is in the shade Mocha. I can't lie to you, I've been wearing Fenty foundation for like the past year, so I have high expectations, I can't lie. But of course this is drugstore and I've heard so many good things. Primer is on. I'm gonna do one side of my face, 3 pumps on one side of my face. Okay, the color match is actually pretty good if I do say so myself. No guys, this color match is amazing. I can't lie to you. In the Fenty foundation, I still have to mix my foundation shades. This is literally my shade. I hope it doesn't oxidize. It looks like it's my skin. Look, what's the difference? You literally can't tell the difference in color. Coverage wise though, I feel like it's like a medium coverage. It's not full coverage, which is what I'm used to. So I'm gonna go on the other side and then blend that out. But I can't lie to you, this color match is perfect. I'm pretty sure it's a buildable coverage as well, so obviously I'm just gonna have extra coverage. And also I think because it's a drugstore foundation, it's an everyday foundation, I feel like it's good that it's not full coverage, because for every day I don't really want a full coverage. I don't want to look too much. So I'm going to put my colors I am in different brands in the description box below, just so you guys can get an idea of what shade I am. But this foundation is beautiful. It's so light and it just feels so smooth, so easy to blend. Wow, I really like this, guys. I actually really like this. The color is perfect. Like normally I feel weird just wearing foundation, but honestly with this foundation I feel like I can go out like this, just foundation. And the only other foundation that makes me feel like that is the Fenty one. Yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and say it's like it gives you the airbrushing effect that Fenty does, but for a drugstore foundation, I think this was £10. This is amazing. It looks so light. This could be my skin. This is my skin, the skin I was born with, period. So if I walk into a room and people think this is my skin and they ask me for a skincare routine, I'm just gonna say I was just born with it. I don't really do much. I just use a bit of rose water and just like a simple face wash. Yeah, it's just my skin, to be honest. So next we're gonna try the Infinite concealers from Revolution. I am trying the shade C13.5 and C18 to contour. I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and then because I just feel like when you let concealer sit, it helps it become a bit more thick, and then when you blend it out, it's a fuller coverage. I'm gonna contour slightly with the C18. This I like that it's cool tone, because for contour, I much prefer a cool tone contour because it gives a better illusion of shadow. Just gonna contour my double chin. Oh, nobody needs to see that. Tiny spot on my forehead. Because we're releasing the forehead this year. If you didn't know, 2020 is the year of embracing my forehead. I've glued on my frontal a lot higher than I normally would. Normally my frontal will be here. But you know, slowly but surely we're getting there. Self-love, the self-love journey. We're on it. It takes time, but we're getting there. Blend that concealer out. I would say don't wait too long though, because obviously it'll be a lot harder to blend if you wait too long to blend out your concealer. Just wait like a minute or so. Oh my gosh, this is blending out beautifully. Okay, I like cool tone concealers now. This looks like, I'm not even, look how I'm blending it. I'm literally tapping. I'm lightly tapping. It's blending out beautifully. Oh my gosh. Wow. I like that the brush, I like that the dome is tapered as well, so it kind of gives you more precision when you're putting on your concealer. You can put it on exactly where you want it to go. Like my nose, that was so easy to like to highlight my nose. But look at that, that looks amazing. Okay, wow, I'm really impressed. I'm gonna blend out this contour. Okay, I think I waited a little bit too long to blend this out because it's kind of gone a bit dry on me. But that's not the concealer's fault, to be honest, that's my fault. Cause I'm no ordinary girl. Okay, guys, I haven't set my under eye, by the way. I just remembered that this concealer like sets itself, and my mind is blown all over again. That is crazy. But yeah, cool. So this looks lovely. It's really, really nice. And yeah, we're gonna set it now. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. This is a little bit warm. This is like a yellow. Compared to my Laura Mercier, so hopefully this will warm up my face a little bit. Just gonna tap the back of my hand to make it super smooth on my beauty blender, and we're gonna set this baby. Cause I'm no ordinary girl, I'm from a different underworld, and the sea world's my oyster. Who remembers that show? Who remembers H2O? Like that show, Gen Z, Generation Z could never ever. That show was elite. Oh my gosh. And what mermaid were you? If you did watch it. I just, bring it back, man. That show, memories. My childhood was spent watching that show, and Sleepover Club. Hanging around was just no fun when you're alone. Oh, those shows literally made my childhood. I cannot. I always thought that that's what adulting would be like sleepovers with your best friends all the time. Like, because me growing up as a in an African home, I was never allowed sleepovers. So it's like I lived vicariously through sleepover clubs, you know. And it was funny because their dynamic was like the same as my family. Like we had my brother was the youngest, and then I had we had the 3 girls. It was just so much fun watching that show and pretending that we were the Sleepover Club cast members. But yeah, cool. So that looks nice and set. I look flawless, baby. Flawless! Definitely a good shot going for the Sacha Buttercup rather than the Laura Mercier. I feel like I would have looked a bit too ashy if I used the Laura Mercier. Just because it was already a cool tone, it was already cool tone vibes. Like, I don't want to be too cool toned. I don't look like a corpse. Corpse is not a vibe. I'm using the Patricia Bright face palette in You Are Gold to bronze up my face. This is my go-to bronzing palette. And the blush is really nice. It's also Drugstore, also Revolution. add a little bit of blush now. Just a little bit. Okay, now we're going to, I'm going to use this Mel's Beauty liner to line my lips. It's super nice. I don't have chestnut, but I feel like this is what chestnut would be like. This is definitely chestnut vibes. Line my lips. Don't you just hate when lip glosses leave that white residue around your lips? I feel like it's very ghetto. Like, I just want my lips to be moisturized. I don't need a white ghetto residue line, you know? It's quite rude. And then when you've been talking to someone and they don't tell you, then you look in the mirror and you're like, oh, because I've been there the whole time. So annoying. It needs to be abolished, to be honest. Very childish. Oh, obsessed with this liner. Mel's Beauty, black owned business on Instagram, and it's super affordable, so I'm going to link it below. Not sponsored or anything, okay? My face is looking cute. No, my face is looking cute. What the heck? This is nice. I'm into it. Primark lip. Just as a base before I use that NYX lip. This gloss. It's a NYX lip gloss in Madeleine. Bit of gloss from the from the hair shop, because you can just never have enough gloss, you know. Okay, what we're gonna do is add liner and lashes. Like, I'm not gonna do eyeshadow because this is an everyday beat, you know. We want to pretend like we're not wearing too much makeup, and eyeshadow is just gonna exaggerate the fact that you're wearing makeup. Okay, so just gonna use that Sacha buttercup on my lid to just like make sure I have no oils. If you really want, you can kind of use a bronzer. So sometimes I use a bronzer just to like warm up my lid in the crease, very lightly, just to warm up the crease, because naturally your crease does have a shadow, to be fair, but I wouldn't really use color or anything like that for an everyday look. This is like a going to church kind of wholesome look, you know. Don't do too much. And then that just adds a little bit of health. And then I'm gonna line my lid. Okay, I'm just gonna use this eyeliner to line my waterline a little. Okay. Oh, this is so good because it literally, like it says, it glides on. It's super creamy. Flawless, period. Hey guys, so I'm checking in. It's been 6 hours. It's 6:10 right now, and so it's been about 5 hours since I put my makeup on. I haven't topped it up at all. I've also been up and downtown, and it's looking really nice. It hasn't oiled up on me or anything, and it just looks really nice and glowy and dewy, and I'm into it. Yeah, I'm really happy so far. So I'm gonna check in with you again around midnight, see how it lasts for the whole day. Close up as well. I normally get creasing around my nose and my mouth, but I haven't had any creasing, and I definitely haven't touched my makeup, so this is definitely working. The foundation doesn't look cakey, it just looks like skin, which I'm really happy about. I got so many compliments today as well in town from strangers. I'm really liking it so far. I just feel like it looks fresh. It feels like I've just done my makeup. So that is really nice. I think it's a combination of the concealer, the foundation, like everything's just really blending and working together today. So yes, I'm gonna see you at midnight. Like I said, it's 12 hours later now. It's literally 3:30 a.m. As you can see, it's 3:30 a.m. I literally look like how I left my house this morning. What? And it's 12 hours later. Like genuinely, I'm very, very impressed. I've actually had a really, really long day, and my makeup, as you can see, is still in place, and that is crazy to me. Went to a friend's house, we went to, like, we're eating, we were chatting. We also went out and we were literally in town, and it was like stormy weather. Like, it was actually a really intense day, and my makeup is still in place, which is crazy to me. There's only a bit of shine that's kind of showing up here, but I kind of like that look because this looks kind of healthy to me. There's still zero creasing around my mouth. Okay, there is a bit of gathering. I can see around my nose, I can't lie. Just a little bit around my nose. But other than that, my makeup looks great, hun. There's not even any creasing under my eyes, which is really good. Literally no creasing around my mouth, which tends to happen a lot. The foundation hasn't oxidized throughout the day. I'm just really impressed, and so the foundation definitely gets a 10 out of 10 from me, especially for the price. It's long wearing, durable, lasts all day. The concealer also is really nice. I love the color. I think it's a nice subtle highlight. And yeah, like 10 out of 10 would recommend, babe. Listen, get yourself to Superdrug, babe, because that's clearly where it's at. I'm super happy with this look, how it turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want to see any more of these first impressions wear test videos, then let me know and I'll be sure to do them for you guys. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Guys, time to wipe this makeup up and get to bed because I'm exhausted. We got church tomorrow. Like, let's get to bed. Good night, guys. Mwah.